everyone. So now we are going to your audience. It is very important. If you don't understand, you will use different language, which means different language is not aligned with what they want, which means they will not pay what you're asking for. All right. When you actually identify that the ideal client, explain how the ideal client help your salon, that hairstylist deliver the service that you got the service, you meet the right client. That is how both it meet the same thing. So that's why it make the client that just feel, okay, I see that, I want it, and I need it, and I'm happy to pay for that. So it's very, very important. When we are doing hair transformation, balayage, blonde, color correction, most of the pain point the client or expectation from client that want from us is they want something it clean, blonde without brassy and fast. For many years, the client always want to get that dream hair fast, but most of hairstylists say you cannot do this in one section. You have to come back for 4-5 sections. That makes client believe that it takes 4-5 sections. But somehow some people, they still really struggling to have the time and the money to come to the salon to do 4-5 sections, because 4-5 sections is add up the money, $2,000-$3,000 for it. I have some client telling me that she go to the salon and get done and over a year, and the salon charged like more than $3,000. She still could not get the hair that she wants, and that is makes so difficult for them, for clients. So that's why when you actually understand about that, you know the pain point of them and what they're facing so forth, and that is you use the right language and helping them is so much easier. And that's now you know that those clients, they just want something clean, blonde without brassy and fast. That's what they want. That is understand the audience what actually they want. With the challenge that the client that I just say, the client that they facing with so many challenge, and they always have dry damaged hair or have to come back like multiple sections, and that's make them feel give up or don't want to doing it, and then go home and put the box dye on. So that's what I see a lot, because I heard some of my clients come in and she said with me, I go to get done and then they could not get the color I want, but it looked brassy and I can't handle with the brassy and orange hair. And they say to me, come back next time, and I can't imagine. And my fear that, oh my God, I carry this orange hair to go to see everyone with this, I embarrassed and fear, anxiety. It makes them say, no, I can't handle it. Spend that, a lot of money for that, but then end up, go to the supermarket, get the box dye, go home and put all over again. So that's so much challenges for clients. So